Today, I'm so excited to share with you all a new recent change in my life, hair extensions. I did so much research when I decided I wanted them and found the best extension specialist in San Diego, Hair by Karen, and we decided to create a fun tutorial for you guys showing the full process. She did the micro-link method on me since it doesn't use heat adhesives or chemicals, keeping my natural hair out of harm's way. She uses the highest quality hair on the market, and even if you guys don't live in the San Diego area, she ships the hair out to you if you need it, and then she also offers clip-ins as well. So as you guys can see, she's been sectioning off my hair and adding the extensions by attaching these beads with the hair and then clamping down. I've also been speeding up the process because I want you guys to just get an idea of the whole procedure. And then I wanted to show you a shot of this section right here so you guys can see all the colors that she blended together to match my natural color. It really was an absolute perfect match. I also wanted to go for more of an ombre look, and she got it down like to the T, so it was exactly what I wanted. Now you guys can see she is just trimming the extensions a little bit and blending them into kind of just go with my hair a little bit more and, you know, blend with it again. And then we're curling the extensions with my hair and then running our fingers through it and making it a little bit looser and more bouncy and all that. I can't tell you guys how much I absolutely love my extensions. I don't know when I will ever get rid of them because I love them so much. I will link all of Karen's information down below, so make sure to check that out, and I'll see you guys soon.